Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off autoplay previews on Netflix on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First, go ahead and open Netflix application on your device. And then here you can select your profile. Okay, here if you want to disable autoplay previews, and then you can do this way. Now please click on my Netflix at the bottom. And then you can tap on your profile. And then select manage profiles. Here you can select any profile you want to edit. And then to turn off autoplay previews, please tap this button. Okay, and then autoplay previews is successfully turned off. That's the tutorial on how to turn off autoplay previews on Netflix on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.